absolutely amazing. This is a huge favorite in our household. The kids absolutely love it, and we get the nice flavor. It's gonna add this freshness to the spicy sloppy joe mixture. But this is it. How beautiful and easy is this? Perfect cheap dinner. Today I'm making an American classic, but with a twist, of course. So we're gonna make sloppy joes. Tex-Mex sloppy joes with grated carrot salad. So the twist is slightly Mexican. This is a super fast, quick and easy recipe, so let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare the salad. Carrot peeled, I'm gonna peel the zucchini, and let's start grating. All right, then the zucchini. All right, I'm gonna put it all in a bowl. I'm gonna give my coriander a rinse, remove the ends, fold it in like this, and then just chop roughly. Basically, that's your salad. Next step. Next, you need to heat up your pan very warm and add some oil on your pan. We're gonna fry the minced meat, and if you wanna perfect your frying skills, and particularly for minced meat, we've got a nice tip about how to fry a minced meat. But for now, I'm just gonna wait my pan to get very hot. So I'm going to quickly make sure that the minced meat is scattered evenly around the pan. This way we avoid for the minced meat to start boiling in its own juices. So in total you need to fry your minced meat for about 5 to 7 minutes. The idea of not moving it constantly makes it stick to the bottom of the pan, and then you get those nice crispy bits in there. So now it's been about 7 minutes, and as you can see, the meat is nice and crispy. So let's start seasoning. I have some garlic paste, and we get the nice flavor. I have tomato paste, and then I have some taco seasoning. And the taco seasoning typically has a bit of salt, but it is also spicy. I'm gonna add in a little bit of water. So now we're gonna mix it all well, and then give it about 2 minutes to simmer and for the water to get nicely absorbed. So here the last touch is to add in the grated cheddar cheese. I'm gonna switch off my pan and I'm gonna cover it, and that's it. Let's dress the salad. For that I've got the lime. Press it down a little bit to make it easy for the juices to come out. This is a nice fresh salad that goes with the sloppy joe burgers. It's gonna add this freshness to the spicy sloppy joe mixture. Now, as an additional step, if you want, you could toast your buns. All you need to do is cut them open and put them in your toaster. In case you have your oven on, you could put them in your oven as well, just on this side. But if you don't, I'm gonna show you a quick tip on how to toast your buns on a pan. So for this one, you can use either oil on the pan, or you could use a bit of butter. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my bread directly. Okay, they're looking quite nice. And that's it, we're ready to plate. So I'm gonna add a quick drizzle of olive oil into my salad, then one more quick stir, and then I'm gonna start my plating by putting a nice pile of the grated salad on the side. Now for sloppy joes, obviously you can use any filling that you like in your burger, but I have here sour cream and I have jalapenos. Then I'm gonna add in a good amount of the sloppy joe mixture. Look at this, absolutely amazing. This is a huge favorite in our household. The kids absolutely love it. I just make it a bit less spicy. And then I'm gonna top it up with a couple of jalapeno slices. I would definitely recommend eating this with a knife and fork, because I can tell you the sloppy joe does not stay easily inside the burger bun. But this is it. How beautiful and easy is this? A lovely weeknight treat and a perfect cheap dinner. Quick, easy, and with the right amount of spice. For more simple recipes like this, click here. But from my side now, bon appétit.